have the pleasure of introducing you to Dr. Drew Taylor, who is the founder of Acorn Biolabs. He, in his own words, will reveal the big news.
Regenerative medicine is literally our ability to use our own cells and tissues to rejuvenate ourselves. And that's exactly what I went to school for.
There's going to be copycats. We know them, they're going to try to do it, but he's speaking all around the world and this is happening. And I mean, I'm so excited you guys can hear this, right in my clinic, because this is the future right now, right in my clinic.
Thank you so much for allowing me to come and share the work that we've done and exciting moments of actually getting this into the clinic.